She broke your heart, and you know he broke mine. Yeah, I hope you know I ain't trying to cross no lines. Come and help me drink this wine. Got enough to last all night. We don't have to do this sober. Why don't you just come over? We don't have to fan no flames. We can just forget the names. If only for a night, let's get this heartache off our minds. Just come help me drink this wine. Only a couple of miles between the two of us. I got a bottle here that's just collecting dust. And I don't really know if this will make it better. Tell me why hurt alone when we could hurt together. Just come and help me drink this wine. Got enough to last all night. We don't have to do this sober. I think you should just come over. We don't have to fan no flames. We can just forget their names. If only for a night, let's get this heartache off our minds. Just come help me drink this wine. When the bottle runs dry, I bet you it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Just come and help me drink this wine. Got enough to last all night. We don't have to do this sober. I think you should just come over. We don't have to fan no flames. We can just forget their names. If only for a night, let's get this heartache off our minds. Just come help me drink this wine. Just come help me drink this wine. Just come help me drink this wine.
Let's learn Just Come Over. It's choreographed by Mark Furnell and Chris Godden. It is a 32 count, 4-wall advanced line dance with tags on the ends of walls 2 and 4 and a restart on wall 5 after 12 and counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. Then we'll do the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. We're going to talk about how the first wall starts, where and what those tags are, and how the restart happens before going around and dancing 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Just Come Over. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right, and as we step forward with our right, we're going to sweep our left from back to front. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover onto your right, and quickly rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and quickly cross your left behind your right. We're now going to step our right foot to the side, and as we do that, we're going to sway our entire body to the right. We're now going to put our weight onto our left as we sway our entire body to the left. We're now going to do 2 quick sways, sway right, sway left. We're going to cross our right behind our left, step our left foot to the side. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 1030. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, we're stepping and sweeping. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Facing 1030 with your weight on your right foot to start section 2. We're going to step forward with our left, remaining into the 1030 diagonal. You're now going to step forward with your right and do a half pivot over your left shoulder, quickly putting your weight onto your left foot to face 430. We're now going to do a step lock step into the 430 diagonal, stepping our right foot forward, bringing our left foot in and behind our right foot forward. Now on the ball of our right foot, we're going to do a full turn with a hitch. So we're going to come up on the ball of our right foot. As you hitch your left knee up. You're going to do a full turn over your right shoulder and then step back with your left foot, returning to 430. When you're doing that full turn, if you don't quite make it, you can use that step back with your left to finish that turn to face 430. We're now going to do 2 quick steps back, step back right, step back left, and then we're going to do a right coaster step with a sweep, stepping right back, left together, right forward, and sweeping your left from back to front, remaining facing 430. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped forward into the 1030 diagonal with our right foot for 1. You're stepping with the left, it's 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Section 3. We're going to step forward with our left and sweep our right from back to front. We're now going to do a syncopated rocking chair remaining at 430, quickly rocking our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, rock your right foot back, recover onto your left. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, very slow, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 1030. We're now going to do another half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot. And then we're going to do a 3/8 turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side to square ourselves back up to 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We did our coaster and our sweep is 1. You're stepping, it's 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That part is going to be very slow and drawn out. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock our right foot forward, recover onto your left, and rock your right foot to the side, recover onto your left. We're now going to weave right behind, left side, right cross. We're going to quickly turn over our right shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot, and then another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to quickly cross rock our left over our right, recover onto our right, and quickly turn a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a series of syncopated locks. So we're going to step forward with our right foot, bring our left foot in behind our right. Step forward with your right, bring your left foot in and behind your right. And then when you step forward with your right again, that will start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped to the side for 8. You're doing your rock. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and then your step to start the dance. 1 will start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step sweep. Step sweep, rock, recover, side rock, behind sway, right, left, behind, side, 8th, step, step, half step, block, step, full hitch, back, 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 coaster with a sweep, step, sweep, rocking chair, slow half, slow 3/8, forward rock, side rock, behind, side, cross, quarter, cross, rock, quarter, step, block, ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot. You're doing your step sweep. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 to start the dance all over again. So now, the first wall, when we are facing 12 o'clock, you're going to leave off the first 4 and counts. So our first 4 and counts is your sweep, rock, recover, side, rock, behind. On wall 1, you are going to start at the sways. So we're leaving that full 4 counts off, and you're just gonna start from the sway. So you would sway right, left, quick, quick, behind, side, eighth. And just leave off the 4 counts. It's the only wall that it happens on, but the song happens immediately. So it gives you 4 counts to get ready, leaving off that 4 and just doing your sways. Now let's talk about the tags. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 2, which will be 6 o'clock, and the end of wall 4, which will be 12 o'clock. The tag is exactly the same, and it's pretty much the start of the dance with a rock back. That is all the tag is. So let's practice that tag. We're stepping and sweeping. So you're going to go step, sweep, rock, recover, rock back, and then your recover with your right foot will start the dance all over again. Step, sweep. And that is your whole tag. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're going to do your step sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you would start the dance all over again. That same tag is going to happen on the back wall and the front wall when you end those side walls. Now, after we finish our tag to the front, you're going to have a restart. You will do the tag, will then become wall 5. So when we recover and do our sweep, we're going to dance 12 and counts. And then our step forward with our right, that would be our step lock. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder. So let's dance up to that part. We're going to step and sweep, step, sweep, rock, recover, quick side, rock behind, side, sway, sway, quick, quick behind, side, 1/8, step, step, half. At this point, you're facing 430. We're going to do our step lock step, but your step is going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder for that count 5, which will end up being count 1. So we're going to do our step lock into the diagonal. So we're going to step right, bring our left foot in. Now, instead of stepping forward into the diagonal, you are going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder to face 6 o'clock, and you're going to step and sweep and start the dance all over again for 1, 2, 3. And you'll dance the rest of the dance through facing 6 o'clock and coming around, skipping the side wall. So now let's go around. We're going to do 6 walls of the dance. So weight is going to start on your left foot. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will do the counts. We're going to dance all the way up and through the restart. So we're going to start by skipping the first 4 counts of our front wall and just dance to the sways. When you're doing it, it's going to start on 1 a.m. is what she's going to say in the music, and that's when you're going to start your sways. So she's going to say a bunch of lyrics, and then she's going to say 1 a.m., and you're going to start your sway right, left, quick, quick, behind, side, 1/8, step, step, half, step, lock, step, full hitch, back, 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 coaster with a sweep, sweep, rocking chair and step, half, half, 3/8, forward rock, side rock, weave behind, side, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, rock, quarter, step, lock, step, sweep, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and add your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start the dance all over again. Step, sweep, rock, recover, quick side, rock behind, side, sway, 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 behind, side, 1/8, step, step, half, step, lock, step, full hitch, back, 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 coaster with a sweep, sweep, rocking chair and step, half, half, 3/8, forward rock, side rock, behind side, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, rock, quarter, step, lock, and then you're going to dance. This is going to have your next tag. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and add your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to dance our 12 and counts and then make that 1/8 of a turn. So step, sweep, rock, recover, side, rock, behind, side, sway, sway, quick, quick, behind, side, 1/8. Step, half, step, lock, make your 1/8 of a turn and start the dance all over again. 1/8, sweep, rock, recover, side, rock, behind, sway, 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 behind, side, 1/8. Step, half, step, lock, step, half, hitch, back, coaster with a sweep, sweep, rocking chair, slow, half, forward rock, side rock, behind side, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, rock, quarter, step, lock, and then you would keep dancing the dance all over again until you get to the last wall. So now, the last wall, you will end facing the side. It's going to be after you do that slow half, and you'll be here. It will be the last section of the dance. It will be your forward rock, side rock, and your weave. There's no ending listed on the step sheet, so I just did a rock and a quarter drag to face 12 o'clock. That is totally up to you if you add it or you just keep dancing it through. But that's what I did. So you'd be facing over here. You would do your cross, rock, and then your drag to end the dance. A little trick, when you're doing that half, 3/8, I want you to think you're turning to whatever wall you had started at. So when we were facing 12 o'clock, we did that half, 3/8, brought us to 12 o'clock. So when we're dancing the 3 o'clock wall, that half, 3/8 is going to bring you back to the 3 o'clock wall. Same thing with all the rest. So it's kind of your base point for when those turns happen to know where you are stopping on those turns. I hope this helped you learn. Just come over. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.